going to use the solvent replacement feature. So a lot of times when you are completing your run and you want to, you've got your last reaction product, you've collected it. This might even be a prep HPLC fraction with a mixture of acetonitrile and water in it, and I want to store this in DMSO. So in that case, what I would do is I would take my HPLC fraction in the vial, start it here, but I will have already primed my system solvent bottle back here with DMSO in it. See that right there? So I'm going to press redissolve, and what this does is when I add the solvent to it, it's going to shake it up and mix it a little bit. I'm going to use the 4 ml vial. I'm going to redissolve in my solvent, and I think that's going to work. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're getting toward the end of the run. We have 15 seconds left on our drying time, and what we programmed in was to have it redissolve in 2 mils of our solvent. So it's almost done. 2 seconds, 1 second, 0. Okay, it's equalizing pressure now as we speak. It's using the system solvent to redissolve. And you can see right here, it's adding in the solvent. Adding the 2 mils. And we just spin it here a little bit to dissolving the material off the sides of the vial. There it goes. And it's going to do, we've programmed it for 5 cycles.